In this video, you will see how to resize an image in WPS Office Writer. It's very easy. First, you need to go to the Insert tab and under the Pictures, go to the From File option and select the picture you want to resize. Now by default, this picture is a very large picture. So to resize this picture, there are two ways. Either you can drag through the end like this and make it a smaller picture, or you can drag like this to make it larger. You can also resize according to the height and according to the width like this. But if you want this picture of a specific size, then you need to click on the picture, go to the picture tools option here, and you will see here options to resize. So you can increase or decrease the size of the picture. However, notice that when we increase the height, the width also changes automatically. But if you want to control the height and width individually, then you need to untick this option, log aspect ratio. And now you can increase or decrease the size independently, height wise and width wise. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office Writer. See you again in the next one.